How to add motion to elements in the project in VN Video Editor. Adding motion brings life to your VN project, and here's how to do it simply and easily. First, select the element you want to animate. Then tap the motion button or look for the animation options. Choose from preset motions like zoom, pan, or fade to apply to your element. Adjust the speed or direction as needed for the perfect effect. Combine motion with keyframes for custom animations that stand out. Prefer subtle or dramatic motion? Tell us your style in the comments below. And that's how you can add motion to elements in the project in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.